Hey Gaudians, welcome back to this another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. Today we will be covering COUNTIF and COUNTIFS function. So let's begin. It's a very easy command. Excel provides the auto counting option also. If we select fruits column, Excel is showing that they are 8 in number right here. But we want to separately count apple, orange and banana. This is the situation where the role of COUNTIF comes into play. Put equal to sign, write COUNTIF, put left brackets, and it is asking for the range. This is the range. Press F4 to fix this column, press comma, and now we have to give the criteria. In this D4 cell, we are counting the number of apples in the list. Apple was written in C4 cell. We are unable to see the cell, so manually writing C4, close the brackets, press enter. COUNTIF function is showing that there are total 2 apples in the list. First one here and the second one here. Dragging this cell will also copy the formula. 3 orange, the first one is here, second one is here and the third one is here. 3 bananas, first one here, second one here and the third one here. In this case, we just have to count from just one column. So if we have multiple criteria, we will use the COUNTIFs function. For this F4 cell, we would like to know that how many times Mr. X and Apple have come together in these 2 columns. And similarly for this F7 cell, we would like to know that how many times Mr. Y and Orange have come together in these 2 columns. For this F4 cell, the first criteria range will be this names column and the criteria itself will be this cell Mr. X, which is D4. Second criteria range will be this fruits list and the second criteria will be apple, which is E4 cell. So let's put the formula. Put equal to sign, write COUNTIFs, put left bracket, select this criteria range, press F4 to fix this column, and the criteria itself is this Mr. X, which is D4 cell, comma, second criteria range is this column, press F4 to fix this column, and the second criteria itself is apple, which is written in E4 cell. We are unable to see the cell, so manually writing E4, put right brackets, press enter. Dragging F4 will also copy the formula. Let's just analyze this row, which says that Mr. Y with apple has appeared 3 times in this whole table. So first time here, second time here and third time here. So it is correct. So this is all from this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, we will be covering sum product command. Thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.